How to swap ETH to MATIC on 1-inch using Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Before starting, make sure that your Cypherock X1 Vault is connected to your laptop. Step 1. Accessing the 1-inch exchange. To get started, visit the 1-inch exchange. Select Launch D app. Step 2. Connect your wallet. To proceed with swapping ETH to MATIC, you'll need to connect your Ethereum-compatible wallet to 1-inch exchange. To start, click on Connect Wallet on the top right, and then select WalletConnect. You will now see a QR code along with a desktop option. Select Desktop. Select Cypherock from the list of compatible wallets. This will redirect you to the CySync app to connect your wallet. Select Wallet from the list and select Account. Now your wallet has been successfully connected and your ETH balance is shown here. Step 3. Enter amount and selecting the trading pair. After successfully connecting your wallet, you need to select the trading pair, which is ETH to MATIC. From the list, find and select the MATIC token. 1-inch exchange provides you with an estimated amount of MATIC token which you will receive. You will also see the amount which you have to pay as gas fees. Step 4. Review and customize. Before finalizing the transaction, it's essential to review the details of your swap. Ensure that the transaction fees, slippage, and other parameters are acceptable to you. 1-inch exchange allows you to customize these settings according to your preferences. Adjust the slippage tolerance if you want to be more or less aggressive with your trade execution. Step 5. Confirm and execute. After you're done reviewing, click Confirm Swap. Now you have to switch to CySync app to execute the transaction. Select Continue. Now you have to confirm the transaction on your X1 Vault. Click the checkmark option. Processing. Blind signing, OK. Verify the recipient ID on the CySync app and X1 Vault. Match it and select the checkmark option. Verify the amount. The transaction fees is shown here. Select the checkmark option. Enter the PIN if you have set up one. Tap any card on the bottom of the device to make the transaction. Your transaction has been successfully completed. Step 6. Monitor your transaction. We can view that on EtherScan. Go back to 1-inch and select View on EtherScan. As we can see here, the transaction was a success. Step 7. Checking CySync app for the exchange tokens. We will resync the CySync app with the blockchain, and now we will wait. As you can see here, the MATIC tokens have been received. So this is how you swap ETH to MATIC using the Cypherock X1. Now you can follow the same method for swapping MATIC to ETH. That's it for this tutorial. Let us know in the comments what token swapping do you wish to see next. Thank you.